Hi beautiful family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to share with you one of the most powerful natural remedies for hair growth, and also is a natural hair darkener. And this remedy, we need only just one ingredient to start seeing results. So let's dive into the video. Our ingredient on today's recipe is papaya seed. I know that this will be a lot of shock to some people. Yes, this papaya seed does wonders more than the papaya leaf. Believe me when I said this. Do you know that if you have been struggling with hair breakage, scalp buildup or slow growth, papaya seed might just be your secret weapon. Yes, those tiny seeds are packed with powerful nutrients that help cleanse the scalp, boost healthy hair growth, and strengthen your strands from the roots. Papaya seed also fights against dandruff, stop itchiness, and leave your natural hair looking fuller, thicker, and more nourished. Is also a simple natural remedy that deliver big results. Pay close attention, deliver big results. So stay consistent and your hair will thank you for this recipe. Believe me, after watching this video, you will never throw away your papaya seed, because this papaya seed is a secret to that your hair growth, is a secret to that your hair solution. This papaya seed will leave you speechless. There's no joke. Just keep on watching and make sure you watch this video to the end to get all the whole instruction. So I bring my clean jar. I will scoop out 3 to 4 tablespoons of my papaya seed. This papaya seed is the dry version. I've already dried this one, okay? So if you have the fresh one, you can also make use of it. So if you have the time to dry it, that is more better. You can use it anytime you choose to use it, okay? So I dry mine for 2 to 3 days. I get this, okay? And the dryness is the best, honestly speaking. So what I just did there, I pour in hot water on my jar, okay? So you can also boil it, but I would advise you to do this infusion method. Don't boil this, okay? For that good nutrients, for you to get all the whole benefit or all the whole nutrient of this papaya seed. So after then, I'll just cover it up and keep it 8 to 12 hours. Once it's 8 to 12 hours, my tea spray of papaya seed is ready to be used. Do you see how darker this tea spray turns to? This papaya seed is indeed very potent and very powerful and very effective. So what I just did, I bring a bowl and my shifter so that I can able to collect my papaya tea. Guys, you don't need to joke with this. Believe me, this papaya seed will deliver more than you thought it is. The papaya seed will give you speechless when you use it in a right way. You don't need to braid the back before you can grow your hair. If you want to darken your hair, you want to stop that hair breakage, you want to stop that hair fall, you want to see faster growth, you want to thicken up your hair, you want to have fuller hair, consistent of using this papaya seed tea spray is a whole game changer for you. The next ingredient I add on it is my MSM powder, but please, if you don't have it, please skip it. But if you have it, please add it on it. It will make a whole game changer with this tea spray, because MSM powder helps to regrow your hair, stimulate blood flow, because it contains sulfur. So this will make this papaya seed tea spray more powerful, more stronger, and more potent. But please, if you don't have it, skip it, okay? If you have any essential oil, you can as well add your essential oils. So after then, I will transfer it into my spray bottle for easy application. So now let me demonstrate to you on how to use this to achieve those wonderful results and to see that faster results.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time I wake up I feel like
How to use this powerful, stronger, effective and potent remedy or recipe to solve those your hair problems and also to achieve your hair goals. There are different ways to use this tea spray to achieve those hair goals, and also there are different ways to use this tea spray to solve those your hair problems. So one of the way to use this tea spray is to use it as your leave-in tea spray, and this is the best way to use this tea spray. Don't wash it out. You don't need to bother anything about any bad smell or whatsoever. This does not smell any bad. It smells like papaya, okay? So you don't need to bother yourself, okay? Just apply this tea spray on your hair. Allow this tea spray to sit on your hair, okay, without you washing it out. Believe me, this is the fastest way to get good results with this papaya seed tea spray. After applying it on your hair, make sure you massage your scalp. Seal in with a good sealant like your hair butter or leave-in conditioner. Is very, very important. The second way to use this papaya seed tea spray to solve those your hair problems and also to achieve your hair goals is by using it as your final thin rinse. Use it on your last stage of your wash day. Pour it all over your hair. Massage your scalp properly. It can cover your hair to 1 hour or 45 minutes or 30 minutes. Then remove the shower cap or whatsoever and rinse your hair out. Then moisturize your hair. There's another 2 ways again you can use it as your thin rinse. You can also pour it all over your hair, massage your scalp and extract out the excessive tea on your hair. After extracting out the excessive tea on your hair, follow all with your leave-in conditioner, moisturize your hair and allow your hair to air dry. So these are the 2 methods you can use it as a final thin rinse, okay? So if you use the first method, also after rinsing it out, you can also moisturize your hair and you can go ahead and style your hair or do whatsoever you want to do on your hair, okay? The third method, you can use this papaya seed tea spray to achieve your hair goals or to solve those your hair problems is using it as a pre-poo. So if you want to wash your hair like tomorrow, you can apply it today on your hair. Apply it generously on your hair. Follow all with the oil, okay? Then massage your scalp. Cover your hair with your shower cap or your cellophane nylon. Sleep with it overnight. So the next day you can remove your shower cap or your cellophane nylon, rinse it out and start your wash day. So this is the 3 powerful ways to use this papaya seed tea spray to achieve your hair goals. But in these 3 ways, I will recommend to you, if you want to see the faster way, faster results or faster solution with this papaya seed tea spray, it will use it as a leave-in tea spray and also as a final thin rinse. Final thin rinse is not the one that you rinse out after allowing it to sit on your hair some minutes. The final thin rinse I recommend for you is the one that you allow on your hair and follow up with your leave-in conditioner. So use this method consistent and you see a whole game changer on your hair. This papaya seed tea spray will leave you with speechless, and I believe that you don't need to buy this seed, okay? You can go and buy papaya, okay? Once you buy papaya, collect the seed, sun it and keep it by side and start using it consistent, okay? Consistent is the key, and also be patient. In 2 months time, you will be speechless on the result this papaya seed will give to you on your hair. This papaya seed will turn your hair game for good and for better. Believe me, there's no joke on it. Just try to be consistent, and I can't wait to hear from you when you use this papaya seed on your hair. Make sure you use it the way I direct you and you come back and tell me thank you. There's no joke. A trial will convince you, okay? So using this as a leave-in tea spray, you can use it 3 to 4 times in a week, depend on you, okay? So storage, this papaya seed tea spray can last only but 7 days in your refrigerator. Anyone that remaining, please discard it and make a fresh batch. Okay, I hope you find this video very helpful. Please let me know in comment section below, will you be trying this papaya seed tea spray, or have you tried it before on your hair? Please let me know in comment section below. And also please, I would love to know where you guys are watching me from. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting me. I love you guys so much, but God love you most. So please, if you have not subscribed to this family, do wait to click on that subscribe button so that will be the full part of this amazing family. Okay, and once you subscribe, please do wait to turn on your post notification bell to all, so that will be notified whenever I drop amazing videos like this. Believe me, you will never regret it. Okay, thank you so much and welcome to the beautiful family. And also please, if you have not liked, please help me to click on that like button. It really encourage me and also help the growth of the channel. Lastly, share this video to your family and friends so that they will get the good news on today amazing video. Okay, I love you guys so much, but God loves you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.